Hello, this is the overview video of the DropLeg Talon mag holder. This allows you to hold 7 to 8 Talon mags along your leg instead of having to have all that bulk up in your chest, which allows you to feel a lot more free and run around easier. This file here, when you print it out, attaches to a DropLeg Molly platform, which you'll have to buy separately, but I'll have links to that in the store. You see this is 2 clips here which go around your leg and attaches to another loop to go around your belt, so you can attach that to whatever kind of belt that you're using. The fit on the Talon mags has been finely tuned to allow you to simply press them in easily enough if you want to put in your empty mags back in here, and also take them out pretty simply and pop them in your blaster. So you can run around, drop them, grab another one, shove it in, grab another one. And you know that for 7 to 8 mags, you'll realise that this is at such a perfect height that you can just drop your hand and your hand's already at the position to pick up the next mag without even thinking about it. And you can put that back in. Say that's empty, I can easily put that back in the end as well.